In this video, I'd like to do a quick unboxing of the Explora Model 3A. This is the new generation Explora decoder from MultiChoice. In the box, we obviously have our decoder, our user manual. I'll get to that in just a second. The remote is there. You can see it's the one with the backlight. And we have our power supply and our HDMI cable there. Let's put that aside for now. Very briefly at the back, here's where the power cable gets inserted over there. Here's a USB port. This only supplies DC. It has no other function. This Ethernet port is to provide connectivity to the Explora. This for extra box office or catch-up or Showmax content that can be watched via this decoder if you give it an internet connection. If you don't have a wired LAN, you can use this USB port here to connect up the Wi-Fi dongle. That's the USB 3000. I covered that in another video, and that will give Wi-Fi connectivity through to this decoder. You can't plug a hard drive in here, for example's sake. It's only for either the Wi-Fi dongle, or it will supply electricity for, say, a modulator, for example. Here's our HDMI output and our digital audio via a Toslink cable. It's also got a coaxial cable output there. It's got our RCA feeds, and here is our single RF port. This is for sending and receiving a heartbeat via, and it is also for the SATC-R feed, so from a smart LNB or a mud switch. So if you're going to need to connect it up to older decoders, you'll have to use a diplex or something like that. Please also note that you don't see any RF tuner here as well. These new generation decoders do not come with a RF modulator built in. You will need to use one of two modulators. You can either use the RCA modulators, such as the AV-MO1, or you can use one of the SRX mod-IR, or you can use one of the mod-HDMI modulators to take the HDMI image and modulate to a digital RF. The smart card is here on the side, and you can see it's quite small. It's a lot smaller than previous generation smart cards. If you guys have any questions or comments, or you need some help with your installation, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll do our best to help you. Have a wonderful day.